to my channel. This channel is basically for all those users or viewers who are not a gadget freak, but they love product. They love product to use. And you know, every these days you are seeing a lot of new product launches, whether it's an iPhone, Apple Watch, or Google Pixel 3, or any different product. But it always matter for us, like do we really matter like new enhancement on all those things? For me, I guess I will say 60 to 80% features, those are not useful with users. It's like fancy word or fancy enhancements. I don't use a name for any brand, whether it's a Samsung, Apple, or anybody. I don't want to be debate on that. But yes, it really doesn't matter for a user. Like 60% of new feature we don't use. For example, taking a camera, right, for any iPhone or Samsung phone or Google phone, you just click, right, and if you say that you use a couple of features, for example, zoom, you change your colors. I do a lot of photography, but I never found phone easy, primary camera to click photos. I prefer my DSLR. Phone is pretty okay, and I use for generic photographs. It's not so awesome, but yeah, I love it's easy to take your phone and click photo. So yeah, I don't want to drag this topic to photography or anything else, but what I was trying to say is 80% or 60%, I will say, it depends on the user. You don't use all the features and all the functions, and so for a user, it's pretty much it. I mean, you use a couple of features, you take photos, you listen to music, that's all. Fancy features, it's good for a few days, but other than that, the basic feature you use. So this review is actually for my Apple Watch, which I recently upgraded from Series 3 to Series 4 because I love bigger screen, and I wanted to have one screen which I can not one screen, one product of Apple Watch, which is having the bigger screen, and I can use it for daily use because it's on your wrist and you use every day. I love workout feature, and I love a couple of other features of Apple Watch. I don't use all the applications, like I said earlier, to those fancy one. So the basic one which I use is for workout, notifications, and yeah, phone calls sometimes. Other than that, I don't use too much of any watch. But I love Apple Watch because for workout and daily use, notification, all those things, I guess this is pretty much awesome. I mean, you love it. I really enjoyed it. Upgrading my Apple Watch Series 3 to Series 4, it's not I will say revolutionary, but yes, I really love this upgrade, and I thought that next couple of years I'm going to have this Apple Watch on my wrist, and I can live happy with this one. I don't have to upgrade every year, because as a user you don't upgrade every year. It takes a lot of money. This one it cost me $530 or $560, I guess. Yeah, $560, which is too much money, and you don't invest so much money every year. So yeah, I am enjoying it. I have this detailed review right here. Please follow this and see as a user perspective that how this Apple Watch Series 3 is, and I guess you will love it. Thank you for watching this video. Please enjoy.